Hey guys, are you already tired of spending your money on skincare to get a perfect skin? Well, here I am for you with free $0 skincare tips to perfect your skincare routine. Let's go! You know guys, social media really pushes us to spend all of our money on skincare with all those 10-step Korean skincare routines, with skincare trends which literally change every season, and with celebrity skincare brands which I don't know who doesn't want to look like their favorite celebrity. I certainly want to look as Selena Gomez, and I really do love Rare Beauty, but not only because it's Selena Gomez brand, because Rare Beauty is really awesome. But you know what I'm talking about, yeah. Everybody just wants to look good, wants to look beautiful, and to try every new product which is being pushed on us, advertised on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, just ads, and yeah, I know this. This actually leads to overconsumption, this leads to compulsive buying, and also it leads to fear of missing out, which is actually more common amongst beauty bloggers, I think, because we actually need to be fast to try the new product, to be the first to try new product, to try the viral product. And it makes me sad because I've been there. I was buying everything I saw on Instagram because I had actually an Instagram skincare account where I was posting about skincare products, viral skincare products, beauty products, makeup, skincare, everything, hair products also. And I still have this Instagram account. I'm just not posting anymore, only like this videos which I make, shorts, TikToks, reels, and yeah, this was stressful guys, and I was literally buying everything I saw. I was buying every product I thought would help me to get attention on Instagram, viral products, and which I noticed that I have a lot of skincare and I'm not finishing. Literally, I finished nothing. And I was throwing away like tons of skincare, guys. And what I started doing is that I started to paying attention to my mood. And if I see that I'm feeling down and I have this compulsive thought that I need to buy something, I can go and scroll through some Cold Beauty or Sephora website, but I don't allow myself to buy anything. And this helps because I don't compulsively buy anything because of my mood. And the second thing I do is that if I see I have my skincare products for my routine which are full and then I have a backup, I don't buy anything because it's viral on TikTok, because it's viral on Instagram or YouTube, or because it's a new celebrity skincare brand. I don't buy it, and I wait till I finish some of my products and I have place for another product and I buy it. Of course, this doesn't mean that I never buy anything. It just means that I don't compulsively buy too much skincare products, and there's a big difference there, guys. I hope you feel it. So now let's move to the skincare tip number 1 that won't cost you any more money. I don't know guys if you don't know it yet, but I'm happy to announce that you can and you should bring your skincare to your neck, down to your neck. And yeah, there is skin on your neck and it can become dry and it can age also, so don't neglect your neck area and just bring it down. Right? And there's of course special skincare lines for your neck, guys, but I don't find them necessary because you actually can use your facial skincare on your body as you can use your body care or your body skincare on your face, with only that your body care is of course a little bit heavier, a little bit like more thick than your facial care. So yeah, it's not forbidden to use your body care on your face and to use your facial care on your body. It's totally allowed to do so. And yes, of course, there is huge marketing campaigns, products for your face, products for your neck, products for your décolleté zone, and products for your hands. Guys, it's just marketing. And now, are these neck products bad? And no, not necessarily bad, because the only thing you should be paying attention to is the ingredient list, but also a formulation and how products really feel on your skin. But whether it's a neck product or the face product or the body product or your feet product, you can totally use it everywhere, guys. It's just what matters is how it feels. Is it really too thick for your face or too light for your hands or feet? So it's not just there is a specific ingredient which works only on your hands or on your neck or on your face. And yeah, it's totally allowed to use your skincare everywhere, to use your body care everywhere, and yeah, that's just a marketing. So in case you want to use only special neck products on your neck, by all means do so, and just watch for the ingredient list. That's all what matters. And if you don't want to spend money on special neck products, just use the products you use on your face, and that's all. And as for me, I'm too lazy to have too many products, and I would be happy to use just one product on my whole body. And now let's move to the skincare tip number 2, which won't cost you any more money. Sometimes our skin just feels like a desert, like a dry desert, for no reason or for no obvious reason. So what should you be doing? Should you buy another witch cream? Should you buy a moisturizing mask or hydrating mask or rejuvenating mask or what? And guys, sometimes skin is just acting out with no reason or without any obvious reason. For example, the weather changes, the food you eat, the drinks you drink. So do you really need to rush and buy everything which says hydrating and moisturizing on their packaging? Not really, guys, because you know, you can totally use the skincare you have at home. For example, your moisturizer, you can totally put your moisturizer and use it as a mask. And what you should be doing is just apply a thick layer of your own moisturizer, the moisturizer you've been using every day. Or if you have like morning and night moisturizer, prefer the night moisturizer because it's usually more rich, more thick. And yeah, just put a thick layer on your skin and then wait until it's absorbed, and then you actually can see the places, the driest places, the dehydrated places, because they are to absorb more of the cream than other parts of your face. Next, you're going to just massage the remaining moisturizer or just clean it with a cloth, and that's your hydrating aid, that's your moisturizing mask with what you have at home. And another thing you can do is to use your body care. As I said before, your body care is usually thicker and richer than your facial care, and with body care you actually have two problems. And if you have sensitive skin, it might be a problem, it might not. And body care is usually heavily fragranced. Almost every body care product is heavily fragranced, and fragrances tend to be very irritating. So try patch test it behind the ear or, I don't know, on your cheek here. So if you have any reaction to fragrance, it's not the best choice for you. But if your skin is not sensitive towards fragrances, it's not a problem for you. And the problem number 2 with body care is that it is really heavy, guys. And if you have oily skin or acne prone skin, you might want to check for potential pore cloggers, or if you know that there are some pore cloggers, pore clogging ingredients that really clog your pores, check for them. And there are also a lot of websites which will check for potential pore cloggers for you. So you just need to copy the ingredient list and that's all. Otherwise, body care is absolutely safe to use on your face. So let's move to the skincare tip number 3 that won't cost you any more money. So guys, minimalism is a trend right now, so the most basic skincare routine is 3 steps. It's a cleanser, it's a moisturizer, and it's a sunscreen. And what if I told you that you don't necessarily need to cleanse in the morning with your cleanser? And I know this might sound strange because cleansing is the most important step of your skincare routine. And you know what? Over cleansing is also a thing, and it actually happens pretty often now because people just take cleansing too seriously, which is a great thing, but not always. So what can you do to avoid over cleansing? First, you need to always choose a mild cleanser, a gentle cleanser with slightly acidic pH, which won't overstrip your skin and which won't wash off the natural oils your skin has to protect itself. And usually, if you have like the mild cleanser, you will notice that it won't wash the makeup, the sunscreen well, and it does bother us, of course. I hate this. I hate it. Guys, I hate it too. I know it's frustrating and you certainly want to go and find some heavier cleanser which will wash off your makeup well and which wash off your sunscreen well. I know, I get it. But what can you do instead is to double cleanse. And double cleansing is the mildest way to cleanse your skin, the best way to cleanse your skin if you have makeup, if you have sunscreen, and you better wear sunscreen actually. And double cleansing means that you need to use 2 cleansers. The first cleanser is going to be an oil or a balm, which will wash off all the things that dissolve in oil. And the second cleanser will be the regular, gentle, mild cleanser, which is water-based and which will cleanse your skin from all the oil traces, from all the makeup and dirt traces, so your skin will be clean but not over stripped. Okay, let's continue to the $0 skincare tip. And yes, you can skip your morning cleanser, but you don't need to skip your morning cleanse. You can cleanse with water. And guys, your skin in the morning is not that dirty. Really, it mostly sweats and sebum, and in case you are really using the heavy products like Vaseline, for example, you're slogging every evening. If you slog every evening, you certainly need to use a cleanser, but if you don't use any heavy products, and if you feel like your skin is already clean after using just water, it's alright to use just water. Of course, skipping morning cleanser is not for everybody. We all are different, our skin is different, and what works for me won't necessarily work for you, but I encourage you to try it because even the mildest cleanser, it will dry your skin a bit, and we don't need this. We do everything to hydrate our skin, so we can skip one thing that dries it out. So guys, just try it, and if you feel like your skin is getting worse, or if you feel like you cleanse with water and your skin feels like something is off, just cleanse with a cleanser and continue doing so. But if you feel like your skin feels clean, everything is all right, all your evening skincare products are washed off, everything is fine, by all means continue now cleansing in the morning and see how your skin reacts to it. And it's really completely okay to skip your morning cleanser, and I do so for I think 2 years. I occasionally cleanse, of course, if I use like Vaseline in the evening. For some reason I don't usually slog, but sometimes I do. And if I do so, I will of course use a cleanser, or if I feel like my skin is somehow too greasy, I will use a cleanser, but mostly I skip it. And I'm really happy with my skin lately, guys, and of course you cannot see anything because I'm wearing foundation in this video, but if you see my latest one, my last one, I am without makeup, I think. Yeah, I am. Yeah, it's Korean skincare try-on, so I am without makeup there, so you can see my skin, and I am really happy with it for now. We'll see. So guys, I encourage you to try, and I hope you like those tips, and thank you for watching my video, thank you for subscribing, for liking my video. I am very grateful for all of you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!